your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparks the Flames Education, where you get great science, math, and reading content, and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share.
Subscribe when you see the soccer ball.
Hi everybody, welcome to another video. This week we're also going to be looking at density just like we did last week, except this week we're using cold water and hot water. So the hot water is colored red and the cold water is colored blue. I'm going to pour each of them into the smaller containers in the front and then pop them into the larger container in the back. And as you know, higher density should sink and lower density should float. So here goes. Make sure to fill the cups all the way to the top so that you do not have any air bubbles, because if you have air bubbles, air is much less dense than water, so it's going to float regardless of what's in the cup. So try to make sure that you have no air bubbles in the cup. As you close them tightly, some of the water might spill, and that's actually good because it lets you know that the container is filled all the way to the top without any air bubbles. So clipping this one, no air bubbles, and same thing for the cold one. So what we're gonna do now is drop them into the larger container. So here goes, we'll drop the first one, and that one's floating. Now we're gonna drop the second one, and let's see what happens. The second one sinks. Now they're both sunk. Here in the warmer water, they all sink.
There's the ball. Subscribe now. Let's get back to the video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Look what happens when I gently add the cold water. When I add the cold water, you can see that the cold water sinks to the bottom. Let's see what happens to the cold water when placed in cold water. So the cold water sinks, but the warm water, which is a red one, definitely floats. And there you have it, people. Warm water will float and cold water will sink, and when the cold water heats up, it moves up and creates currents. So here we have warm water, red up top. Let me try to submerge it, see what happens. And then we have the cold water at the bottom. And as you can see, the warm water rises to
next Monday when we talk about how water freezes and how it affects lakes and why ice floats. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and see y'all next Monday. Peace out.